Hi there, I hope you're doing well. This is Ramit from Cosine Theta, and in this video, we're gonna learn how you can add someone as a user in your Amazon Seller Central account. Now, before I share my screen, please note that this feature is only available with Amazon Professional Selling Plan. Now let's get started. Now, once you are logged into your Amazon Seller Central account, go to Settings on the upper right corner of the screen and click on User Permissions. Here you can add the name and email address of the person you want to add as a user and click on Invite. Now they will get an email where they can approve this invitation. Once approved, you can now manage their permission. To manage that, click on Manage Permissions. Here you can give them 4 levels of access. None means they won't have any access at all. View means they only have view access. View and edit means they can view and edit it. And admin means full admin permission. Now, if you are adding Cosine Theta as a user, I would suggest you to give view and edit access to everything. Once done, you can click on Continue and voila, you're all done. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button below. Check out our other videos and consider subscribing because we post regular content on e-commerce and digital marketing. Until next time, bye.